Hello mga ka-traders, good evening po sa inyong lahat. By the way, nagpapahinga pa rin tayo from our work, di pa rin tayo ganun ka-okay. But just to state, we will be accepting questions about XNES, about social trading, about XNES trading terminal, and the platform itself. So kung may mga questions kayo, clarifications about the platform itself, no, ay actually pwede nyo na i-comment yan sa comment section, and we will be answering and clarifying all of those na yung kasagutan na pwede nating maibigay sa inyo, na especially if you are trading commodities, currencies, and even crypto, right? So alternative investments, meron silang in-offer na ganyan, and also marami silang features such as economic calendar and many more, no, social trading. So kaya again guys, sa market natin ngayon na medyo duguan tayo, still tandaan nyo po that there are a lot of opportunities out there na kailangan lang natin pag-aralan at pagpursigihan, no? Kaya naman guys, yun, kung may mga questions kayo, just drop and I'll give you the best solutions as possible.